Hi dear students, today we are going to learn the first section of chapter 3 of class 7, data handling. In previous classes, we have learned about various types of data. We have learned how to collect, tabulate and put these data in the form of bar graphs. In this chapter, we shall come across some more types of data and graph. What is a data? In our daily life, we collect various numerical facts such as the number of students present in different classes of a school, the marks scored by the students of a class in an examination, the height and weight of the students in your class, etc. In the numerical facts or the information are called data. What's called data? The collection of information is called data. Wherever we get information, that is called data. Clear? Also, you have seen several kinds of data through newspaper, magazine, television and so on. That is, data is the collection of information. Today we are going to learn collection of data, organization of data and representative values. First, collection of data. What do you mean by collection of data? A given collection of data may not give us a specific information related to that data. Before collecting data, we need to know what we would use it for. That is, consider a few examples. You want to study the performance of your class in mathematics, electricity consumption in your house, number of COVID cases daily in Kerala district wise. Collecting data is a very important task. We can arrange data in different forms and get some useful information about it. If anybody know why there is a need for collecting data? Suppose the weight of 10 students of class 7C. The weight of 10 students are 32 kilogram, 35 kilogram, 36 kilogram, 33 kilogram, 30 kilogram, 36 kilogram, 40 kilogram, 37 kilogram, 41 kilogram and 36 kilogram. The data in the above form does not give much information. That is, who is the heaviest of all? What is the most common weight? Who have least weight? The highest weight is 41 kilogram and lowest weight is 30 kilogram. But who is the heaviest and who have least weight? When we collect data, we have to record and organize it. That is, to arrange the data in tabular form. Organization of data. Look at this table. We can easily say that Kaushik have highest weight, Sanubia have lowest weight. Also, the most common weight is 36 kilogram. We can put many kinds of data in tabular form. Our school rolls, progress report, index in the notebook, temperature record and many others are all in tabular form. So we put data in a proper table. It is easy to understand and interpret. Clear? Next concept is representative values. In our day-to-day life, we come across many statements that involve the term average. Average is a number indicating the representative of central value of a group of observations or data. This representative value or central value is known as measure of central tendency. Different forms of data need different forms of representative or central value to describe it. The most common representative value is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. Or mean. Arithmetic mean or mean. Arithmetic mean we simply denote as AM. The most common representative values are arithmetic mean, median and mode. The first one is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean or average. That is, average lies between the highest and the smallest value. How to find arithmetic mean? The mean or arithmetic mean, that is, sum of the observation by number of observation. Arithmetic mean is equal to sum of the observations by number of observations. Mean is equal to sum of the observations by number of observations. How to find arithmetic mean of first 5 natural numbers? How to find arithmetic mean of first 5 natural numbers? Okay. The first 5 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mean. How to find mean? Sum of the observation 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 by number of observation. How many numbers are here? 5 numbers. Okay, that is sum of observations by number of observation. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. What is the sum? 15. 15 by 5 we get 3. That is, consider another example. What's the mean of height of 5 students in your class? Suppose the heights are 120 centimeter, 130 centimeter, 125 centimeter, 128 centimeter, 132 centimeter. Height of 5 students in your class. Arithmetic mean. How to find mean? Sum of all the observations by number of observation. Sum of the observation. 120 plus 130 plus 125 plus 128 plus 132 divided by number. How many students? 5 students divided by 5. Find the sum of this one. We get 635. 120 plus 130 plus 125 plus 128 plus 132. We get 635. Sum of the observation divided by number of observation. What is the result? 635 by 5. We get 1 5s are 5, 13, 2 5s are 10, 35. That's 127. That is the average height is what? 127 centimeter. It is the average height lies between what? The highest and the lowest height. 127. Here the highest height is what? 132 centimeter. Lowest height 120. Okay. How to find arithmetic mean? Sum of all the observations by number of observations. Next concept. range of the given observation. Range means the difference between the highest and the lowest value. Range is equal to highest value minus lowest value. In your previous example, the height of 5 students in your class. Highest value 132 centimeter. Lowest value 120 centimeter. Then what's the difference? Range equal to 132 minus 120, that is 12 centimeter. Clear? That is, range means difference between highest and the lowest value. Consider another example. The 18 years of 10 teachers are given below. Find range and mean age. First one, range means highest value minus lowest value. Here, which is the highest value? 54. Lowest value 23. That is 56 minus 54 minus 23. We get a 31. That is, range of the given observation is 31. Then find mean. Mean means what? Sum of all observations by number of observation. Find the sum of all the observation. 32 plus 41 plus 28 plus 54 plus 35 plus 26 plus 23 plus 33 plus 38 plus 40 by number of observation. How many teachers are there? 10 teachers. Then sum of the observation. Sum of the observations we get 350 divided by 10. Then the mean age is 35 years. Mean age is 35 years. Here the first range is equal to what? 31 and mean is equal to 35. Clear? Hope that all of you understood the concept. Thank you, dear students.